how can you add stuff to the reading list on iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on Foxtecc, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So reading list is a feature of Safari, and in the latest iOS 26.1, it works a bit different compared to the previous versions, but you have to just open up a web page of any kind, and then next to the URL, you have to click on the button. Right, so it is the rectangle with two lines next to it button. I don't know how it's called officially, but you have to tap that, and you might see the option to add it to the reading list right away, but if not, click the three dots right here. And this gives you the extensive list of features, and there is the button to add it to the reading list, right? So you can tap that, and it will be added right there. Also, once you are on your websites and in Safari normally, you can tap the three dots next to the URL and see all of the different things. You might see the option to add a web page to bookmarks, which is a bit different from the reading list. But to access the reading list, go to the bookmarks and switch from this book view to the glasses view, and this is the reading list. So yeah, I personally think that it could be a bit more convenient, or I don't know how to describe it, but that's just how it works within a Safari. Keep in mind that you also have the ability to add Safari widget to the home screen by holding down on the screen like that, going to Edit, Add a Widget, and selecting Safari. And there are actually three sizes for the widgets, but the only function that it can perform is to display the reading list websites. So if you add a widget like that to your home screen, you'll be able to quickly access the web pages you have stored or added to the reading list. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to set it up. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.